Okay, so here's my problem. I got two 9098 preamps here in the back, and to channel A, my cord is stuck. This guy is not coming out, so I played with it forever trying to get it out. It's not going to happen. Open the unit up. Thought maybe I could remove the locking mechanism from the inside. Don't see how that really helps me at all here. So time to take it to the garage. So I just want to explain what's going on here really fast. So in most connectors, you could just unscrew the back here and the pins just pull out and that housing would be left inside there. With this particular kind of XLR, the back is all one piece. You can't unscrew it. The pin's actually going from the front like that. Just slide right in like that. So there's no way to get them out from the back. All right, there's my camera girl. Eye protection on. You gotta shoot good video for me, okay? Okay. All right, so let's hack it off. Now I have a mess. I gotta dig those pins out and extract them with pliers. So if you look at this housing, you can see it's kind of ovaled out a little bit. They have that groove in there, which didn't help for support. You can see that's where it bent. And that little bend is what I believe causes it to stick. So he manufactures this guy. Canon. Okay, now you know what not to buy.